Good evening, sir. Today is 5th of June 2026, Friday, World Environment Day. Sir, this is Goswami के धारीलाल मार्ग, नारायण इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया फेज़ 2. सर, आप देख रहे हैं कि ये रोड डिवाइडर्स साल में एक बार तोड़ के, ऑल्दो देयर इन एक्सीलेंट कंडीशन. हाँ, देखिए सर, कोई ख़राब नहीं है, 200 साल तक चलेंगे. दे विल बी एज गुड फॉर 200 years, but they are replaced by new ones. So can a developing country like India afford, or even if it's a developed country, if India was a developed country, should we be doing? No, because these are coming from mountains, mountain resources, gravel coming from mountains, construction dust coming from mountains, riverbed. So please do not do it. It's our national property, mountain resources, natural resources, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज एंड वेस्ट ऑफ पब्लिक फंड्स. देखो सर, ये सब तो हटा दिया था, अभी ये इनकी बारी है, हटा दिया है. और नाउ द न्यू वंस, एक्चुअली यू विल सी द न्यू वंस, दे आर एक्चुअली ऑफ इंफीरियर क्वालिटी. ये देखो सर, द न्यू वंस आर ऑफ इंफीरियर क्वालिटी विच हैव बीन रिप्लेस्ड, the old ones which were in excellent condition. So very sad, and this all leads to air pollution, PM10, because dust everywhere when they dig, is just thrown like this. It rises in the air and chokes our lungs. So please be concerned about environment. It's not only on World Environment Day, but throughout the year. Don't do such activities. We all go to the mountains for holidays, but imagine if there were no mountains, if we continue to waste mountain resources like this. Look at this quality, it's so poor, whereas the old ones, they are so strong, and you see, they are more strong than the new ones. So save mountains which are having landslides, floods, depletion because of deforestation, because such activities are happening not only in Delhi. This is Goswami ke Dharilal Marg, Narayana Industrial Area Phase 2, but it happens all over India, very sadly. So Uttarakhand, Himalayas, Aravalis, so from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, and even the Western Ghats, Maharashtra and Goa, and the Eastern Ghats, Tamil Nadu stretch. So we are misusing our mountain resources like this. Let's not waste our mountain resources for greed. Thank you.